Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. This is John Jenkins, and I wanted to bring you a video. So, basically, this is gonna sound kind of stupid. It's gonna sound kind of stupid, but basically, I wanted to know what the order of operations was for Modulo. I wanted to know what the order of operations was for Modulo, because when you're dealing with PEMDAS, when you're dealing with please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, but if you add modulo in there, what is the order of operations? Where does modulo fit in, as far as the order of operations goes? So, obviously, I could have just Googled it, but where will be the fun in that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a program that tests the order of operations for Modulo. Okay? All right. All right. So I'm going to test the order of operations for Modulo. Mod ord. Okay. All right, so here is the deal. Gets equals input. Please press enter. All right, so gets equals input. Please press enter. And so here's the deal. So parentheses first. Print. Okay. Print 3 minus. Okay, so 31 minus 1. It's pretty obvious that modulo is going to come after parentheses. I probably shouldn't even do this one. So yeah, I'm sorry, I got that wrong. So if so that the answer to that should be 0. The answer to that should be 0. Exponents print. Answer should be 0. So why don't I put a comment over here? 0, 0. Zero and exponents. Let's see, exponents. Okay. 40. Let's see. Print 44 modulo 2 to the second power. 44 modulo 2 to the second power. So that should be, ironically, that should be 0. And should be 0. I'm sorry, that should be well, that's true. So basically, the issue with that is that whether regardless of order of operations, the answer will be 2. So why don't I say why don't I say, so there's, let's see, 27, 36. So 9 does not 9 does not go evenly into 48. 9 does not go evenly into 48, but 3 does. So 9 does not go evenly into 48, but 3 does. So I'm assuming that the answer to this will be, I'm assuming that the answer to this will be 3. And let's see. The obvious one is print multiplication 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 10 modulo 3. Okay, so that should be, I'm going to guess and say that the answer to this is going to be 2. Yeah, but the issue is that the answer will be 2 even if the multiplication goes first. The answer is still going to be 2, so I have to change that. 2 times 11, so 22 modulo 3 equals 1, whereas 2 times 2 equals 4. So 22 modulo 3 equals 1, whereas 2 times 2 equals 4. So which one do I think it's going to be? I think it's going to be 4. All right, so print 35 divided by 7 modulo 3. So 35 divided by 7 modulo 3. So if the modulo goes first, the answer is 35, I'm sorry. So if modulo goes first, the answer is 35. And if the division goes first, then the answer is 1. Yeah. Now, if the division goes first, then the answer is 2. If the division goes first, then the answer is 2. And then if the modulo goes first, then the answer is 35. All right, so I'm gonna say the answer is gonna be 35. Okay, I'm saying the answer is gonna be 35. Print 35. I'm sorry. 2 plus 4. 2 plus, I'll say 2 plus 5. Let's make it easy. 2 plus 5 modulo 5. Let's just make it easy. So if modulo goes first, then the answer is 2. If the addition goes first, then the answer is man, it's still 2. Yeah, it's still 2, so I gotta change it up. 1 time 2 plus 5 modulo 3. So that would be, the answer would be 1 if the addition goes first, and if the modulo goes first, then the answer is 4. Okay, so Modulo goes first, the answer is 4. 4. And subtraction. Print 10 minus 7 modulo 10. Okay, I'll do this. 100 minus 45 modulo 20, right? So, okay, I guess that should work. So, so if modulo goes first, then the answer. So if subtraction goes first, then the answer is if subtraction goes first, then the answer is 15. If subtraction goes first, then the answer is 15. If modulo goes first, then the answer is 95. Okay. All right. 95. All right. So these are my predictions for where this modulo is going to. I'm assuming that modulo is ahead of. I'm assuming that modulo is ahead of multiplication, and it's behind exponents, between multiplication and exponents. So let's see what happens. File, save as. Pi. Okay. All right. So. All right. So. Okay. Sure. 0. So basically, it was behind parentheses. It was behind parentheses. So maybe I miscalculated this. So, yeah. So. Yeah, so modulo went first. Modulo went first. No, it didn't. So 3 to the third power. That's what happened. That's what happened. That's what happened. So that's what happened. So I messed up. So 3 to the third power is 27. It's not 9. So 3 to the third power is 27. It's not 9. So in this case, my math was wrong. So in this case, the exponents went first. Exponents went first. So no. Okay. All right. And I said that this one was going to be 1. I said this one was going to be 4. So modulo. So why did it come up with 1? Well, 22. Sure. Yeah. Sure. Modulo went last. Modulo went last. And 2. 2. So 5. So modulo went last. Man, this is going crazy, bro. Man, this is not what I was expecting. This is not what I was expecting. So hopefully it goes before addition subtraction. So let's see. So it went before addition. It went before addition. It went before addition, and it went. Let's see. It went before subtraction. It went before subtraction. So obviously, I gotta save myself a billion years, and I could have just gone to Google, or I could have just gone to the manual for Python, and I could have just searched to find out what the order of operations for Modulo. And apparently, Modulo comes in after division, but before addition. So, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right, so that's all I wanted to say for this video. So apparently that's the order of operations for Modulo, and let's go ahead and get some of these other programming videos started. So thank you everyone for your help, and I will get started on that immediately. Thank you.